So welcome to the online Grief Coach Academy training. I am so thrilled and delighted to offer this to you. I'm Aurora Winter, the founder of the Grief Coach Academy and the author of multiple books around how to help people go from heartbreak to happiness. And I love training coaches how to help themselves and help their coaching clients go from heartbreak to happiness or from stress to success. In this course, you are going to have videos, an executive summary video, a short video that lets you know what coaching process I'll be teaching, and then every section usually will have one, maybe two longer videos where you can be a fly on the wall, so to speak, and experience the live training that I do during the live training, and you can get student questions and interactions. So this is a very robust training. You will learn many different coaching processes to help your client who may be in crisis. That crisis could be from a divorce, from a death, from a bankruptcy, from the loss of a job, from the loss of health, from a miscarriage, from the death of a child, from moving across the country and feeling a sense of loss of community, and many other things like menopause, empty nester, etc., etc. So there are many self-explanatory modules. This course you can do by yourself. Of course, you will want to get another student to coach with you, and we have a Facebook group so you can connect with other students taking the course and invite them to coach with you so that you get the necessary coaching practice so that you can take the exam and pass it at the very end. Of course, the best thing to do is invite one of your friends to take the course alongside of you, and then you can coach them. That's another solution. So anyway, we're going to go into this course. It's quite self-explanatory, but a number of things that have really proved valuable is you're going to learn like the basics of coaching, and then we're going to go on from that into how do you explain and demonstrate to your coaching clients the value of coaching, how do you have an enrolling conversation using the big picture and the stress scale, and how do you coach people from pain to peace in 9 coaching sessions or less. The PEACE method, of course, which is my 5-step coaching process that utilizes cognitive behavioral therapy, has been a real winner. Coaches love it, and it creates enormous shifts time and time again. And in addition to that, we've got many other coaching processes that you will learn. So take a deep dive, block off time each week to review the videos and to practice the coaching, do the quizzes, and at the end, you will have this skill set. Of course, if you're interested in more, we do have live training. You can apply to join that. We've got certified coaches who are available for one-on-one coaching. So if you want more, let us know. But this is a standalone self-study course that you can do online, but that means you need to block off time to do it. I just look forward to being a catalyst for your greatness, making a difference in the lives of many others, and also becoming happier yourself. See you on the next video.